Welcome to the BASF Research Farm in Story City, Iowa. My name is Mark Storr, Tech Service Rep.
And I'm Bill Backus, Midwest agronomist covering the state of Iowa. Today we are in front of our Credenz agronomic performance trial where we're talking herbicide systems. We have Credenz varieties. We have 17 varieties in the Credenz system, from the 0.1s all the way through the early 0.4s. And behind us we have a demonstration where we're talking about the 2.1 through the 3.0 varieties that we have adapted here at the Story City Research Farm. These varieties are excellent. They are high yielding, they are widely adapted, and we've tested them thoroughly through all of our trials that we put out with our agronomic services team. With that, we also look at how they handle a different weed management system. If we look at the Credenz LLGT27 system, in the Credenz lineup we have early group zeros all the way through late group 4 soybeans. As you look at the LLGT27, what that is Liberty, glyphosate, and HPPD tolerance, with the HPPD being the Elite 27 portion of that we have at BASF.
As Bill stated, it starts with the seed, meaning that these traits enable these soybeans to tolerate certain systems. But anytime you're worried about weed management or taking the best foot forward toward weed management, you need to know what you're dealing with, a proper weed identification, and making your applications in such a way that they're timely, using the right rate, the right adjuvant, and doing all the things we can to get the best performance out of our herbicide system. We want to layer residuals. We started in this particular plot behind us with, I think, the best foundation herbicide that you can available in the industry today, and that would be Zidua Pro herbicide. And then we came back with the post application. If you notice the signs in the back, we've got Liberty here. We tank mixed Outlook with that. That's our layering of a residual to give you that extended residual weed control. And we did throw some clethodim out here because there was some volunteer corn. We're in an area that got hit hard by some big winds last year, so there's a lot of volunteer corn, so we threw some clethodim in there for volunteer corn control. But what we're trying to demonstrate here is no matter what the system, you can manage weeds with the products that we have available and the genetics we have available. And the only thing we're missing here would be Elite 27 enabled varieties as well, which we don't have a label for currently in Iowa, but we're always looking to pursue additional label expansion, so we may see that in the future.
So as we look at what the things to start with, back to that, it's always start with the variety, select the highest yielding variety first. That's the main focus, and then work with the weed management system that Mark talked about. So for more information, go ahead and contact your local BASF retailer or your local BASF representative.